Thank you, my darling. Yeah. Thank you, my darling, for being good to me.
Angel on the track.
Thank you, my darling, for being good to me. Thank you for being so wonderful and beautiful. Yeah. You could have been evil. You could have been the devil. You could have been miserable. You could have been angry all the time. You could have been here messing and passing with my mind. Yeah. You could be so bad, but yet so good. Yes, you treat me just the way you should. Oh, only God could have done something so beautiful, baby. Thank you, for being good to me. Thank you, my darling, for being good to me. Yeah, you've been so wonderful, you've been so beautiful. Yes, it's just the ways you have. Oh, baby, you're just the best you ever could. Hey, you're always smiling, you always been here just for a while then. It make me feel like a little child again, so young and fresh and baby. Thank you, darling, for being good to me. Thank you, my darling, for being good to me. Yeah. Thank you for being so wonderful and beautiful to me, baby. Whoa, yes, you're the best I ever know. You're just the best. Over time, our love just grows. You could have been evil, you could have been the devil, you could have been here and been miserable. You could be angry, you could be here just making my mind just unstable and see, yeah. But you're good to me, yes, that's the best. Oh, and that's how it's supposed to be. You treat me just fine, you hush me when I'm crying. Oh baby, yes, you know I'm not lying. Just the love you gave me, I can see it, I'm not blind. And you keep on trying, and you keep on trying and trying and trying. Thank you, darling, for being good to me. Thank you, my darling, for being good to me. For being this good, oh, being good to me. I know much to say, I want to tell you thank you for being good to me. You're so good, so good to me.